Remember to help control the vet. New box from ThredUP. Nope, I actually sourced on ThredUp. Rave wants some attention. I got, I think it was 13 items. I used a little bit of credits and they had free shipping. So I will let you know. Oh, Remy's joining the party. I'll let you know how much my average cost per item was. I think it was like $3 something if I'm not mistaken. So a little bit more than normal, but we are gonna get started. I just wanted to show you me opening this initially. I think this came from Georgia. I think most of the stuff was in Georgia. So this is our first look at some of the items I got. So stay tuned for the full haul in just a moment. Hey guys, I am Dolla Docta Jennifer. If you're new, I am a part-time reseller and a part-time veterinarian, and I mostly sell on Poshmark. I am also on Mercari and eBay, but most of my sales come from Poshmark, and we are here today. I did something a little bit different. I sourced on ThredUP. So I know a lot of people have used the outlet. I've never bought anything on ThredUP before, so I do not have the ability to use the outlet. So they were having a Memorial Day sale, I think, and it was free shipping. And then you had the option to bundle, like it would keep it open for like 5 days or something like that. So then I ended up going back a couple days later and getting some more stuff. Half the stuff is already listed in Poshmark, on Poshmark, and the other half is not. So far nothing has sold, but we'll see when I do the editing if anything has sold yet. I do hope to get some more stuff listed, but you know, life. So anyway, I'm going to go through the items that I sourced on Poshmark, or not on Poshmark, on ThredUP. So let me know if you think this was a good idea to pick these things up or not. I think the total ended up being around $48 or so for 13 items. I think there was a few, I used a few credits in there as well. I think around $3.60 to $4 an item was my average cost of goods, if I'm not mistaken, which is definitely a lot higher than I normally do, but I did feel like I picked good stuff. Again, let me know what you think afterwards in the comments. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this kind of content. I do a lot of thrift hauls, unboxings, what sold videos, looking back at old thrift hauls and seeing what sold and what hasn't, and you know, did we actually make money? I try and, you know, give a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy that kind of content, definitely subscribe to my channel. We would love to have you here. When I reach 500 subscribers, I am going to do reseller boxes for $5 on Poshmark. So definitely stay tuned for that. I will thrift the items and then just basically give them away on Poshmark. You will have to pay $5 plus shipping, but they should make you quite a bit of money, hopefully, depending on what I find when I go thrifting. Anyway, enough of that. Let us get into what I found. This is the first time I've ever gotten this, and I will say a lot of these, I did get a lot of jeans, and a lot of them are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be, but it is what it is. But this is Articles of Society. I've never found this in the wild. I decided to give it a chance because it was something I never gotten, and the comps looked so fairly good, I felt like. But this is a size 24. Coated, you can see how it's shiny, so it's coated denim. It's got like a different type of feel to it, but it's very shiny, and they are just black jeans, and they do have a raw hem as well. I just thought they were, I mean, they do look like they're in really good condition. They do have that little A on the back pocket, and yeah, so I did get these. These are already listed in my Poshmark closet. If you are interested in anything, definitely hit me up on Instagram or email me. The email is down below, and I will give you, we can make a deal. I did do measurements on a lot of these, which I don't like doing because they did look like this one is a size 25, but it looks a lot smaller than that. And like how tiny, this is so tiny. These are Topshop Moto Joni jeans, waist 25, and it says to fit length 30, but they are not a length 30 based on my measurements, so I'm not sure about that, but maybe they're supposed to be cropped. But there's a black wash distressed jean. They are very small, but they are in really good condition, so that was good. At least no flaws to note besides the distressing, which is supposed to be there. So I did really like these as a style. They're very high-waisted, like very high-waisted. So we'll see. Those are listed already on Poshmark. I'll try and throw in the listing if I remember when I'm editing. These are Levi's. I got these. They're the 7-Eleven skinny, size 25. I only got these because they're camo, honestly. And they're in really good condition, but they are black and gray camo jeans. I was looking for jeans because I have actually sold a lot lately, and so I didn't have very many listed. So, but then I got a bunch that were really tiny sizes. But, you know, we'll see. There are tiny people. But they're in good condition. No flaws to note. So far everything is looking pretty good. These are another pair of Topshop Moto. These are the Jamie, and these are also waist 25, but these are a little bigger than the other ones. And these are also black wash, but they have this fun stripe. It's like gold and silver, or no, silver and tan and black and white along the sides of the legs. So I thought that was fun. Again, they're in very good condition, very high-waisted jeans. So these are listed already. All the pants I've listed already, basically. Two more of the jeans. This one is PacSun, the high-rise ankle jegging, size 24. And I liked these because they have the double different washes. So it's a darker and a lighter wash. And then that's on both sides. And then the back is just a solid medium wash, but the waistband is a contrast color. And they are raw hem as well. And I think for all of these, I did measurements on my Poshmark stuff. I don't know if I did for these ones, but I think I did. These are We The Free, and they're a size 30, so a little bit nicer size. And they are just a high-rise, distressed straight leg, I think. Are they straight leg? I think they're straight leg. Anyway, jeans. They have some distressing. The only flaw, which wasn't noted in the ThredUP listing, was this tiny little spot on the back, but they are in really good condition otherwise. So again, very, very high rise. Like, look at all this. Like, the rise is more than my head. So hopefully those will do pretty well. They've been getting a little bit of attention, but not a ton, so we'll see. The rest of this stuff is pretty much stuff I need to have on a mannequin, and so I have not done these yet. Oh, except for this one. I wasn't sure what to do with this. Let me know what you would do in the comments. It's a really cool hat. It is new with tags, but it says sample not to be sold. My friend was like, just sell it anyway. Someone sold it to you. I'm like, true. So, but it's Jewel House is the brand. And then I'm gonna butcher this. It's Yu Pong or Pung. I'm not sure. But These hats, this is like new. It has like the cardboard and everything in it. And I could see that it was new with tags in the picture on ThredUp, and I saw this logo and I felt like it was something. But it's the classic snapback Yupung since 1974. That's what it says on the brim. But this is a really nice embroidered patch on the front. And I've seen some of these that are for sale. I haven't found this exact hat, but I've seen some of these for sale like on eBay and stuff for like $28, $30. So that is why I grabbed it. Plus I just really like hats. I'm weird. So that is that. That is not a hang up. I just wasn't sure exactly what to do with it or not. This is the only one I'm kind of mad about. This is ASOS size 8 US. And it's a lace overlay top, like midi dress. And this is like a chiffon. And it said, this listing said in really good condition, because I did make sure to really look at all the listings in that respect. It's got little lace cap sleeves, but when I got it, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Let's see, where's it at? It's got these pulls in it, and so I definitely don't think I can price it as high now. So hopefully I can make my money back on it, but I mean, it's pretty bad actually. See, like there's a big pull around this side. I feel like there was another one somewhere too, but I probably won't find it at this moment. It's a lot of fabric. So this is, I mean, it's a really cute dress. I just don't know with that pull exactly how it will do, but that is the risk you take, I guess. This is Rough Hewn. For some reason, I remember this brand from somewhere. I don't know why. I could be just losing my mind. But it's a little asymmetrical moto look. It's like a sweater, though. It's not a jacket, really. It's 100% cotton. And like I said, it's got that asymmetrical front. But it's fabric. It's not, I don't know, it's not a jacket. I thought it was more of a jacket. That makes sense. I didn't think it would be this flimsy, basically, where it's like a shirt almost. But it is what it is. We'll see how it does. I have not listed this yet. This one I got because it was new with tags. It's Made Fashion Week. It's from Macy's, but it's Made Fashion Week for Impulse. And it's an extra small, which is the only bad thing. But it's a little shift dress. It's like a blue color, and then it has a black stripe down the sides. It's kind of a little bit of a high-low. And it's pretty basic. I got it because it was new with tags. Some of the comps looked pretty good, so I decided I would try it out and see what happened, because new with tags, hopefully eventually it will sell. This one, this is Brayton Authentic Outerwear, size medium. This one had all over the place comps, but it's not fur. It's very soft. I don't know what this is. From the pictures, when I was looking at it, and I just noticed the pockets are coming undone a little bit. This wasn't a great pickup. Oh well, you can tell the corner of the pocket is lifting. I don't know if you can see that or not, but when I was looking at it online, it almost looked like suede, but they didn't have it listed as any, they didn't have a fabric listed. It's actually just polyester. So I thought maybe they mislabeled it or something, so that's why I got it. I think I only It's not part of my average cost of goods, but I think I paid like 47 cents for this with my credits and stuff. So that's why I picked it up. But average cost of goods, it's $3 or $4. So, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. But it's like a jacket, brown. It's got obviously a lot of texture to it. I don't know. It's not really faux fur. I don't know what to call this. If you know what to call this, let me know. But it is a nice jacket in general. Although now I'm seeing something on the collar here. I don't know. Jacket. Hopefully I make my money back. This did look to have good comps. This is Zara Woman. It's a size medium and it looks to be new without tags. And it's this cool black open front vest, but the back has this cutout in it. And I saw some good comps like on some other sites like Curtsy or something. Like this is I don't know if this was like a blogger thing or, you know, one of those type deals, but it seemed to have a good sale price. So it looks to be in good, like, you know, like new condition. So hopefully it is. Hopefully I don't find something while I'm listing it. And lastly is another puffer jacket, which I thought was silver, but is actually white. I don't know what was going on in my head that day. It is a size medium. It's called Me Jane. And the comps are very good for this brand, but it's like a white zip up puffer jacket. I don't think it's down filled or I think it's just like polyester or whatever. Shell, polyester, lining, polyester, rib, polyester. So yeah, but it is a cute puffer. It's got that shininess to it. It does look to be in good condition. I have not, quote unquote, found any flaws yet. Hopefully it remains that way, but the comps seem to be pretty good on this, so I grabbed it. So those are what I picked up for about $3 to $4 a piece, closer to $4, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is there 12 or 13? I have 13 items. Am I missing something? Oh, the hat. The hat's 13. Duh. Okay. So 13 items. We will see. I will do a throwback at some point so you can see what sold and if I made my money back or if this was a really stupid idea because I got free shipping. Anyway, thank you for watching. Again, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and definitely leave a comment below. And we will see you next time. And as always, remember to help control the pet population and have your pets spayed or neutered. Bye, guys.